To end our news bulletin for tonight, old folks on the island were treated to a Christmas lunch hosted by the Catholic Mission yesterday. The annual party was held at the New Zealand High Commissioner's residence in recognition of the elderly and their contributions. The program began with words of welcome, and a moment of silence was held in memory of those elderly folks who have passed on. Speeches were followed by upbeat singing, dancing, and getting into the Christmas spirit. Sentiments shared by those present highlighted excitement heading into the festive season and a word of caution to enjoy and to have a safe holiday. It was apparent that such a program is much appreciated as an opportunity to get away from the busy way of life, to relax and enjoy the company of friends. Ana hado tola da wala tala tutupu ke lata ia mui awhiawhinei, ka tuku atu e wia na whakalapalapa. He maanga ko waia ke lata ia mui halo tola a whakatata ke a whaiumu ne hangawa toa ia da tolu ki ai, kia mu tolu e toka pisinga, he motu piani ke mu tolu ne ahiahi mai, o atu ki waia ke lata ia mui a whakatata. That's our news bulletin for tonight, but keep in mind, Waia Village will be hosting the annual show day, the first time for them. So everyone's invited to Waia for that show day on Saturday. Good evening.